Welcome back to Narcissism Freedom, where we empower you to rise above manipulation, emotional abuse, and control. Today, we are shining a light on a painful and often overlooked truth: the Narcissist Homewrecker. These are the individuals who enter homes, relationships, and families leaving behind chaos, heartbreak, and confusion. If you've experienced this, I want you to know right now, you are not alone, and none of this was your fault. Take a deep breath and repeat this affirmation with me. I am protected. I am safe. I reclaim my space, my peace, and my power. I am strong, and I am free. Narcissists are master manipulators. They thrive on breaking down the foundations of trust and stability. They lie, gaslight, and create divisions in families and relationships. They seek out situations where they can gain attention, control, or validation at the expense of others. Often, they appear charming, kind, and attentive when first entering a family or relationship. But behind the smiles and compliments, they are sowing seeds of doubt, tension, and conflict. They quietly infiltrate the home, and by the time the chaos is visible, the damage is already done. Affirm today: I see through deception. I am alert to manipulation. I do not accept chaos into my home, my heart, or my mind. The tactics narcissists use are often subtle, making it difficult for victims to recognize what is happening until the damage is done. They might start by subtly undermining one family member or creating unnecessary tension between loved ones. They may exaggerate minor mistakes, gossip behind closed doors, or even gaslight you into questioning your memory and perception. Their goal is simple: control and disruption. They feed off the emotional reactions they create, growing stronger as they divide, manipulate, and isolate. Take a moment to remind yourself, it is not your responsibility to fix a narcissist or repair the damage they create. Your responsibility is your healing, your clarity, and your strength. Protect your boundaries, speak your truth, and trust your intuition. You are strong enough to say no. You are strong enough to walk away. You are strong enough to rebuild your life fully, reclaiming your home, your heart, and your peace. Every day, choose yourself. Choose your peace. Let go of guilt, resentment, fear, and doubt. Speak this affirmation: I release what does not serve me. I surround myself with love, truth, and harmony. I honor my family, my home, and my heart. It is important to understand that healing from the damage caused by a narcissist homewrecker is a journey, not a race. It takes time, patience, and courage to rebuild what has been broken. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and remember that every step toward clarity and peace is a step toward freedom. When a narcissist enters a home, they often target the most vulnerable. They may manipulate children, spouses, or extended family members. They create conflicts out of nothing, encourage favoritism, and twist words to suit their narrative. This leaves families torn apart, relationships strained, and individuals feeling isolated and betrayed. Understanding the patterns of narcissistic behavior is crucial to protecting yourself and your loved ones. Affirm again: I am in control of my life. I am not defined by the actions of others. My home is my sanctuary, and I protect it with love, courage, and wisdom. I am resilient, and I will rise above manipulation, lies, and chaos. It is essential to document your experiences when dealing with a narcissist homewrecker. Keeping a journal or notes of incidents helps you validate your own experience and gives clarity over time. Narcissists often deny their actions or distort reality. Having your own record strengthens your confidence and helps you maintain boundaries. Another important aspect is to recognize the emotional impact of living with or near a narcissist. The constant tension, manipulation, and unpredictability can leave lasting emotional scars. It is normal to feel anger, sadness, fear, and even guilt. Speak these feelings aloud, write them down, or share them with a trusted friend, therapist, or support group. This acknowledgement is part of your healing and empowerment. Affirmation for your emotional recovery: I release all fear and guilt. I embrace love, compassion, and healing. My emotions are valid, and I honor them fully. I am reclaiming my life. Boundaries are your strongest protection. Clearly define what you will and will not tolerate. Narcissists test boundaries repeatedly, but your consistency is key. Say no when something is harmful. Protect your home, your space, and your peace. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and avoid those who drain your energy. Remember that a narcissist cannot control you without your consent. Your power is within you, and it grows every time you stand firm, every time you assert your boundaries, and every time you speak your truth. Daily practice of affirmations can help reinforce your strength. I am safe. I am loved. I am free from manipulation. My home, heart, and mind are my sanctuary. I deserve peace, happiness, and love that nourishes me. Even after the narcissist has left, the echoes of their chaos can linger. Healing requires patience, self-love, and active steps toward rebuilding your life. Engage in practices that nurture your spirit, journaling, meditation, spending quality time with loved ones, or pursuing creative projects. Reclaiming joy and stability is possible, and it is your right. You are resilient. You are worthy. You are capable of rebuilding your home, relationships, and life stronger than before. Each day is an opportunity to step into your power, to create a sanctuary free from manipulation and control. Today and every day, remind yourself, the narcissist cannot destroy what you choose to protect. Your peace, your love, your home, and your heart are yours to nurture, strengthen, and safeguard. Stand firm. Speak your truth. Protect your boundaries. And never forget that your freedom and happiness are priceless. Thank you for watching Narcissism Freedom, where your healing begins, your strength is honored, and your freedom is celebrated.